Hello everyone, I'm Alex. And today I'll show you how easy it is to install a GROHE QuickFix corner shower basket using the Start Cube version as an example to guide you. Sounds complicated, but it's not. Let's get started. A few important notes beforehand. This installation also applies to other colour variants, and the glue is not included in the product packaging. We do not need the screws included in the package today. By the way, having a look at the enclosed installation manual certainly doesn't hurt. To fix your new shower basket to the wall, all you need is a spirit level, a pencil, a folding ruler, and this mounting glue. One glue syringe is needed for each mounting plate. Let's get started. First, think about where exactly you want the corner basket to be placed later. Once you have found a suitable place, clean it thoroughly. To mount the device, you will need both mounting plates. These can be mounted either on one side or on the other. However, there must always be two on the same side. Now mark the position. Here's a tip. First, position the basket directly in the corner, and then mark the two notches of the two mounting plates on the wall. These must later have an exact distance of 55 mm. Measure from centre to centre. Now draw a horizontal line along which you will later align the panels. Then draw two vertical lines at a distance of 55 mm using the spirit level to determine the exact position. Now, slightly loosen the small Allen screws of the two holders and remove the mounting plates. Then remove the foil from the adhesive strips, align the plates and stick them on. Now test the distance again. Perfect. Next, you need the mounting glue and the adapters. Screw them into the middle of the mounting plate. Then remove the cap from the syringe and turn it into the holder. Carefully press the adhesive until the segments are filled. Now allow the glue to set for 24 hours. Finally, place the shower basket and fasten it with the small Allen screws. Done! The corner basket can easily be dismantled if necessary. First, loosen the Allen screws, remove the shower basket, and then remove the mounting plates with a spatula. Finally, clean the glued areas. That's it!